Financial institutions as big as JP Morgan have started offering crypto funds to their clients. Countries have started accepting crypto as payment, and more people than ever are trading in cryptocurrency. Given the rate at which companies and tech giants have begun throwing the word metaverse around, there's probably more eyes on crypto infrastructure than ever before. Speaking of crypto infrastructure, there is another acronym that you're likely to hear a lot about linked to the metaverse, and that's DAO. Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome back to Crypto Unfiltered, and this week I want to talk to you about the metaverse, the role of DAOs, and all the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency markets. So, let's begin. DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. A DAO is an organization where decisions are made by their stakeholders without the need of any representatives like a board of directors, a monarch, or even politicians. DAOs can be described as an open source blockchain protocol governed by a set of rules created by its members who automatically execute certain actions without the need for any outside intervention. In even simpler terms, imagine a way of organizing with other people around the world without knowing each other and establishing your own rules and making your own decision autonomously, all encoded on the blockchain.
So if you look at it from the trading point of view, DAO is just another cryptocurrency to trade upon. But if you want to go beyond trading and if you want to be a part of the project, DAO is definitely beneficial for you because the governance here is shared by the DAO token holders. So you get equal voting rights in the decision making of the project. In fact, in my opinion, the projects who have implemented DAO are considered more fundamentally more stronger than other projects because they are more decentralized, they are more transparent, they are more trustworthy.
एक DAO बिना किसी सेट मैनेजमेंट या हायरार्की के काम करता है, जहां इसका इस्तेमाल कई चीजों के लिए किया जा सकता है। एक DAO के थ्रू कुछ मेंबर्स अपने फंड्स को जोड़कर खुद के OTT सब्सक्रिप्शंस की भी फीस पे कर सकते हैं। DAOs operate using smart contracts, which are essentially chunks of code that automatically execute whenever a set of criteria are met. Smart contracts are deployed on numerous blockchains nowadays, though Ethereum was the first one to use them. These smart contracts establish the DAO's rules. With DAO, only the code needs to be trusted. And since DAOs are fully autonomous and transparent and built on open source blockchains, anyone can view their code and audit the built-in treasury. Let's now find out what new trends are taking place and what you should know about the world of cryptocurrency. Recent days have been eventful thanks to the rapidly expanding crypto space globally. The government has listed the cryptocurrency bill in its legislative plan for the winter session of the parliament. The wordings in the bulletin is limited, but it does say that the government will move a bill to frame rules for cryptocurrencies aimed at prohibiting private coins while providing a framework for the creation of an official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Now, India has around 1.5 crore cryptocurrency users with a total asset value of more than $6 billion according to industry estimates. So, it will be interesting to see which side the government takes. For the time being, the market hasn't reacted well to the Lok Sabha bulletin. Apple CEO Tim Cook revealed that he is an investor in Bitcoin and Ethereum among other cryptocurrencies as part of his diversified investment portfolio, though has no plans of integrating crypto payments into Apple's products and services anytime soon. Yeah, Apple fans are disappointed. Multi-million dollar worth of investments have been coming to crypto-related startups like exchange platforms, Woo networks and blockchain gaming firms, The Sandbox. यही नहीं, हांगकांग की एक एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म crypto.com ने तो अपने एक क्रिप्टो का वीजा कार्ड भी ब्राजील में लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस कार्ड के जरिए ब्राजील में जो क्रिप्टो ओनर्स हैं वो अपने टोकन को ब्राजील की करेंसी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और नॉर्मल विड्रॉल्स और परचेसेस कर सकते हैं जैसे आप एक नॉर्मल डेबिट कार्ड में करते हैं। This is great news for investors as many perceived conversion to be the biggest hurdle for cryptocurrency. After Bitcoin and Ether created all-time highs, the crypto market managed to maintain overall stability with minor fluctuations. Cardano, Ripple, Uniswap, Litecoin and Polkadot among other popular altcoins recorded neither major gains nor significant drops. Industry experts from India called this kind of a comfortably patchy market movement healthy and necessary, so all you investors can wipe those stress lines off your foreheads because everything looks okay. The battle to supremacy between meme coins lost momentum after American whistleblower Edward Snowden asked people to stop investing in Dogecoin clones because a meme said it would make you rich. Dogecoin as well as the Shiba Inu did manage to mark new milestones in their journeys. While Tesla is considering Doge payments, the Shiba Inu token gloriously bagged the crown of being the most popular crypto on Twitter. Bitcoin adoption, meanwhile, seems to be making strides in the United States. The mayor of New York launched New York's first city coin called the New York City coin, which is based on Bitcoin technology. An interesting prediction, meanwhile, has begun making rounds in the market that seems to have got a lot of traction on social media. With the boom of NFT, it is being predicted that Ethereum will exceed Bitcoin's valuation in the next 5 years by 2026. Time to look at how major tokens are performing and how it affects you as an investor. If we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that after a steep drop, Bitcoin is up by 7.59%, while Ethereum is up by 6.71%. With the market's recovery, Tether has also jumped up by 6.61%, and even Cardano is on the up by 4.7%. Crypto's future in India is yet to be decided as the Indian government still has to decide about regulation policies. Stay tuned to the show as we'll keep you updated about the latest developments in this sector and also in the world of cryptocurrency. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered for this week. If you have any questions, do send them across to us. We'll have an expert answer them for you. And as for the questions, do send them across to our Twitter and Facebook pages. This is Cyrus signing off with a promise that I will be back with more Crypto Gyan next week. See you soon.